What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? Got my haircut this morning. Woke up early in the morning just to get a haircut. Got to get to the barber shop. Like, well, the one I go to, you need to get there. Oh, hang on here. You got to get to that barber shop early. They open at 9, but you got to get there early, or you're gonna be waiting there for a long time. So I got up early, about 6:30. I was there. What time I get there? I got there like at 7. The third person there to get a haircut. So I got a haircut. So I feel fresh. You know, you get a haircut, you feel real fresh. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. But anyways, right now I'm about to head to the mall. I gotta go to Apple. Gotta get my laptop fixed. But I'm also hungry too. I'm really hungry. I need to go eat something. Probably eat at the mall. And I also need to wash my truck too. But I just don't want to wash it and then it rains the next day tomorrow. Like, that's not gonna be good. I've been having this truck not washed for I don't know how many weeks. It's been a long time. But yeah. So we're here at Best Buy looking through stuff. We're in the gaming section right now. Don't know what to get. Best Buy is always a good place to come to. But I think I want to look at the cameras. That way I could get more quality videos on this channel. So let's go look at the cameras. Oh, get away. Got this audio for passed up the audio. Ooh. Watch out. Go. Where's the NOS? 5th place. I'm in 5th place out of 24. I'm about to pass up some Lamborghini. Ooh, get out of my way. 3rd place. Uh-oh. Here comes first. Oh, I got a Lamborghini in front of me still. Oh! Get out of the way! Keep crashing into the wall. No! Get away! Dude, I just got 1st place. I don't even know how many laps there is. How many laps is there? Alright, so we came here to Apple. We were running late because we were at Best Buy. Because there was like a 2-hour wait to get me in or whatever. And we were at Best Buy and I got a text message. And we had a haul ass all the way over here. So we're here now. We're waiting to get this laptop looked at. Alright, so we finally got out of Apple. They fixed my computer. And then I also got this extra hard drive for the computer. What's up, everybody? It's another day. Just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up. I woke up like 2 hours ago or something like that. And so I'm right here watching the TV, watching the NFL game, the Falcons and who was it? I think it was a Green Bay. Yeah, Green Bay and Falcons. I'm kind of going for the Falcons on this one, Atlanta. They've been doing good, but what I'm really doing, I gotta put a curtain up for the shower. So I gotta put that rod up, and then I got some these things These go to the wall on the ceiling. So this is where it's gonna go. The things to hang is I'm gonna drill them on the wall. There's 3 of them, so I'm gonna put one here, one there, and one in the middle, and get rid of this one. Let's get into that. Finished putting that up in the restroom. Now it's time to go wash my truck. So I had to come to Walmart because we don't have one of those soap scrubbers to wash down on the truck. So I had to get one of those. Check out this Challenger. Pretty nice Challenger. RT. But yeah, I gotta go get this thing. Gotta get some air fresheners. These are the best ones right here. Cherry. Gotta get some of those. Alright guys, it's a little windy, but I finished washing my truck. It looks shiny now.
All the hours you walk around with it sitting pretty. Yeah. I can't tell if it's real or not, but it's sitting pretty. 4 Giottos on the whip. That be sitting pretty.
Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video for today. We're here watching the game, the second game of the night. New England and Pittsburgh. New England's going to win this, I already know. Atlanta Falcons already won. So that's going to be the Super Bowl team, first team right there, waiting on this game. For sure it's going to be New England, but we'll see after this. Like the video, subscribe if y'all new, and hope y'all enjoy the video.
Bitches like Castro, Cuban cigar nigga.
Spanish chick, J-Lo, Dope Money, Pablo, the double cross you up,
Castro,
Ivo.
Castro.